Okay, do you guys remember how nice it was yesterday? Look at this. What's going on here, Michigan? Like, seriously. What is this? What did you do? I can't even see that way. I can't see. Mom, what are you doing right now?
I want to go run, but you're trying to make me make you a smoothie.
I'm not trying to make you do nothing. You're just being awesome, you know, and thinking about what is she doing down there?
I don't know.
Thank you for the smoothie, Mom.
You are so welcome. Come run with me.
Nope. So, I know this is kind of random, but I was thinking about creating one of those pages. It's called Patreon. If you haven't heard of it, it's this site where people can donate you money monthly, and I'm doing it monthly. You can do like per video, but I do daily videos, so that's kind of hard. But monthly donations to help me keep creating. And I was going to create a page. I probably wouldn't post it until I had a large amount of subs, or I don't know, whatever you guys think I should do. This is all you, of course. It's all you guys helping me, so maybe I'll post it when I finish it or after. But what I wanted to ask you guys is, what type of rewards would you guys want? Because I'm creating rewards and I'm having a lot of trouble with like thinking of what to add in for like the $1, $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, whatever, I don't know. And this is per month too. But yeah, you gotta just tell me below what you guys think I should have as the rewards. I'm up for almost anything, like literally almost anything. Just give me your weirdest, wildest suggestions that I could. It has to be something that I can do, that it's possible. So like it can't be something like I jump out a window every month or something like that. It has to be something creative and cool. But yeah, tell me down below. I think what I'm gonna do now is I am going to take a shower and then I'm gonna go somewhere with Daniel, I think. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, right now what we're doing is we're going to get gas and then I'm going to go to the mall, I think, with Daniel and some other friends. So let's do it. I'll text you when I come home, or when I'm gonna, I don't know, I'll text you when I hear any news, okay? Okay, so me and Daniel went to the mall, and if you didn't notice, those things are so cool. Yeah, so we bought penny boards. Because why not, right? You know, I wasn't saving for a computer or anything. Now we're going to a movie. Let's do that.
Nice parking.
Wait, is it bad?
It's borderline.
Like, is it right on the line? Okay. Okay, so we're going to a movie. Of course, I can't bring the camera in there, so I'll see you guys later.
I am my mother's only one. Yes, I know. I wear my gown and so it shows.
Okay. Okay, Daniel, what would you give that movie?
8.5 out of 10.
Same, dude, same. That was a really good movie. It was pretty funny and pretty chill. You know, it's freezing out. Apparently there's a blizzard. Culver's time. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys didn't know, I think I might not have mentioned it. We watched Deadpool. Sorry if I forgot to mention that. Yeah, it was really good. 8.5 out of 10. Just whatever we said before. We were talking about Deadpool, not random movies. You ready to go?
Daddy.
Sure.